My 4-year-old wants a $200 toy. Let's help him get it.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sound so self-assured when you talk about.
The first entrepreneurial thing I ever did was flip items. If I had a vacation I wanted to go on or a new bow I wanted to buy, this is what I did to get it. I'd go to my 9 to 5 and then I would flip items on the evenings and weekends. It's not easy, but it's out there for anybody to grab it if you want it. And it can seriously change your life. It did mine. Okay, so the goal, start with $0, see how much we can make. Checking out a dumpster right now. And there's an office chair. I don't know if it's in good enough shape. Let's check it out, Fletchy. You need to make sure this is legal, but if it is, you can find items at dumpsters. It's great starting from zero this way because you can flip them because people throw away some good stuff. Also, Facebook Marketplace, free section works good too.
Some trash in one big bed, see?
Yeah, that looks a little too dirty though, huh?
Yeah, I think that's the only...
Some big white couches. Okay, we got a chair and a couch. Oh, no, we didn't get the couch, but I think I'm gonna text mommy a picture of the couch and see if she has any cool cleaning stuff that can clean that dirt off that white couch. Because I think we could sell the couch for like $100 if we can clean it.
Yeah.
The couches ended up being a no-go because they were too dirty, but the office chair we cleaned up and flipped. All right, guys, we're gonna need to clean the crack out too in the middle, okay? The first rule of selling things online is to be 100% honest. Always take pictures and videos of the worst parts of the product. Never try to hide anything from people. That'll go bad for you in the long run.
Is someone gonna come by the chair that we found in the trash can
Okay.
in 15 minutes so we can we put outside the room so they can get it?
Absolutely. How much did they buy it for?
I think it's 15 to 1,000.
15 to 1,000, okay. Sounds good. I like to break things down into skills because it makes it more manageable to accomplish. So for flipping things on the side, it requires 7 skills. Hunting for the item, getting a good buy or free items, knowing that this item will be profitable when you sell it. Anything under $100, I like to do a 5x profit. Buy it for 10, sell it for 50. If it's below that, it's normally not worth your time. It's not a hard rule, but a good general rule. How much did you get?
This much.
Okay, let's count it.
35.
Good counting. You made $35. High five.
Is that not for my activator?
Not yet. We got to get $200, but now we're gonna see if we can 5x it. Okay? He was super happy. We showed him the parts that were bad, and he said that's no problem as long as it's comfy. And I had him sit in it, and he was like, "Good."
So win-win.
Good
That's
job,
how you
dude.
do business, Fletch. He was happy, the customer, because you cleaned that really good.
Good job, buddy.
And look who else is happy.
The idea is to teach my son to gain some skills along the way. Now, he's not old enough to comprehend or do all of this himself, but this will teach him delayed gratification and hopefully that if he wants something, with good strategy and hard work, he can probably get it. Let's leave the binoculars here and let's go find something new that we can resell. We're at Goodwill. I checked the dumpsters today, guys, but there's nothing good there. So we're gonna see if we can,
But did you find some old couches we could?
no old couches today, but maybe we can find something good in here that we can fix up and resell. Number 2 is the skill to clean or improve the item if needed. Sometimes the profitable flips are just in cleaning an item really good, tightening up some screws, refinishing some leather, some basic skills, but that can add a ton of value. Check this out. It has a chalkboard,
Hey.
and then look on this side.
Chalkboard on the exact same one.
You have one like that at school?
Yeah, but mine's is small.
Look, and this side's a whiteboard. That's super cool. I think we should get it, and then we should finish it to make it look nice. Yep, well, you strap it in, okay?
Oh, I got it in my pocket. And I'll get the trap. Oh my. Okay, hey Daddy,
Hey.
get me out.
Do you guys think this will be a good one? Okay, so on a hunch, I think this one is probably 75 to 125 brand new. Because it's real wood and has all the accessories, I think it could be worth it. We spent 14 bucks on it with a little bit of marker cleaner.
14 bucks.
Clean up the marker marks, and then like a furniture polish on the wood to make it look nice and make sure all the screws are tight, everything's functional. I think we might be able to sell this for 50 plus.
He'll be plastic my activator.
When we went to Goodwill, this is how much it cost. And since we sold it for $45, that means this is our profit. You made $30 on this one transaction. So now you can use all this and we can invest it into more. 3, listing the item, which includes being able to be a good photographer. Put the item near a good lighted window, then take photos and videos. Get down at eye level with your item. Just a couple of tips is gonna make your item pop when you resell it. You guys wanna try to sell this?
Yeah.
Is that funny? What is that? 4, communication. The one I'm the worst at. Talking to people on Marketplace. Callie actually does this for me. We work together. It's great. Fletch really started getting into this. So he wanted to sell a couple of his personal items. The first one was a basketball goal. He's already kind of outgrown it, and so he wanted to sell it. But first he touched up the paint to make it look really nice. So you're gonna sell your basketball goal too now?
Yep, we're gonna get rid of the basketball hoop too. Always fine with that.
He says it's too small for him now.
It kind of is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just taking up space.
It's too tricky for me.
Here, right here.
Oh.
5, negotiation. This normally happens in the communication on the phone, but sometimes in person, especially on more expensive items, people want to see it first before they commit to it and will try to negotiate in person. This naturally is very uncomfortable for me. I've been working on it, but I'm not a natural haggler. I tend to give things away for free. I always have. That's my biggest downfall in business, is that I just like giving everything for free. Oh my goodness, dude. What? How'd you get so much money? Should we count it? The next item he sold, which I didn't get photos or video of, was a backpack he had. He got a new one recently and had this old one. He's like, I don't need this, I'll sell it. Was able to get some profit on that as well. 73, 83, 93, $103.
Oh my god.
Mommy,
That's how much he's made in just a short time.
Yeah, you made $103 in 1 week.
Mommy, is that enough?
From there, we went back to Goodwill because we wanted to see if we could find an item that we could flip for even more money. Drawers work.
Could we buy this and sell it for more money?
Let's see if it works.
Are we gonna have to trap that in with the...
Does it work?
We're gonna take this.
Okay, you guys stay right there.
Whee!
That means this is where the line is. So we gotta wait for our turn, okay?
Never ever another rainy day. What a shame. I fooled you twice. You never get in them chopping waters. The sailing from here is smooth and clear. You have no fear. It don't get no harder. You think.
All right, boys, we got it for $14. It's in great shape. I'm gonna look it up real quick. Guys, this one looks super similar. $1,200 new, $1,000 new, $1,249. I found a bunch of similar ones, not the exact same one, but I'll put a little work into this and actually restain the wood to make it all match, fix all the chips, and recondition the leather. As you know, I have 5 years of experience manufacturing and selling leather, so we can make this super nice, guys, and this might be enough for the excavator. Okay, apparently Callie and Arlo just scored some suitcases, and they're gonna drop them off here for me and Fletch to fix up and resell. So they saw them at the dumpster. Let's see if they're any good. We tried to sell the suitcase, but never could. That happens sometimes. Some items, people just don't want. And lastly, the sell. So this is in-person interaction, but in today's world, it doesn't always have to be. We've done over 30 contactless transactions. People like to Venmo or Facebook Pay. We'll leave the item outdoors on our front porch, something under $50, doesn't matter. They'll even put cash underneath our front doormat. And people tend to really like this. We have never had one person not pay. And worst case scenario, we're out $50 or $20 or $5. Then we don't have to line up our schedules as much. On eBay, it's contactless if you're gonna ship something. The leather chair is a mix of cleaning it, relaxing it, reconditioning it, really rehydrating it. I ended up doing most of this because, well, I don't know, I think it's fun.
You never get in them chopping waters. The sailing from here is smooth and clear. You have no fear. It don't get no harder. You say to yourself,
You know we wanted to sell this chair?
Yeah?
I don't want to sell it.
Why?
I want to keep it myself. So, can I buy it from you? I kid you not, this chair's been the best work efficiency thing that's happened to me. You see, I kept finding myself reclining on the couch or wanting to go lay in bed to edit videos. And my wife was like, are you lazy? But it turns out I was just getting tight necks and a sore back sitting at my computer, so I hated sitting at a desk. And now this thing is the most comfortable office chair I've ever sat in. So I couldn't let it go. I had to pay Fletch for it. I gave him $100 for it, which is honestly a conservative sale. Now, I only did 100 because it is an old chair. It's over 20 years old, even though it's still in pretty good condition. Based on what I could find on Marketplace, that is a very realistic sale. If you break down those skills, then you can say, oh, I'm not good at this skill. This is the one I need to improve on. You know, I went to college and I had a minor in entrepreneurship before I realized it was pointless and I dropped out because they didn't teach skills like this. In my opinion, for most entrepreneurs and real business owners, learning about angel investors and venture capital is very few people who take that route of business. It's a whole lot more risky too. But most people, if they learn these skills, would actually know how to make some money. So, when I become a college professor, this is gonna be my class. I'm gonna have the students start. I might even give each of them $20 to start with. And we'll have a competition for part of the semester to see who can flip it up to the highest amount. Now that would be a college class worth taking. That's enough.
What? Mommy, this is enough to buy my excavator. Look how much it is. Okay, ow, now where's my truck? Man, I packed it up. Ta-da!
Yeah.
I packed my treasure box so you can keep that safe for me.
The background of this entire video is gonna drive my wife crazy, but we have a good excuse. We're moving tomorrow, so this is the last time you will see me here, which doesn't really matter, but I said that to make my wife feel better about putting this on the internet. Today, we just ordered an excavator for Fletch. He loves tractors, construction, excavators specifically, and he's been wanting to drive one. So we found a battery-powered toy one that he can dig in the backyard of the place we're gonna be living next. So, if you need some cash, that's how you can do it on the side and smile and have fun while doing it. But remember, there is an evil side to money. If you want it to have power over other people, or if you want it to have immediate gratification, that's the bad side. That's where people go wrong. But if you use it as a tool for good, get as much as you can. Kramer Ammons, out.